In a heartwarming display of love and support, Prince William has taken on the role of a chef, personally preparing meals and baking cakes for his wife, Catherine, who is currently undergoing recovery in the hospital. Reliable sources report that the Prince of Wales has been donning the apron, dedicating time in the kitchen to craft comforting meals and sweet treats for the Princess of Wales. This culinary endeavor by Prince William is not a novelty, as he has openly spoken about his passion for cooking and his willingness to actively participate in household responsibilities over the years. The current situation has provided the prince with an opportunity to translate his culinary interests into a meaningful expression of care for his wife during her hospital stay. Reports reveal that Prince William has canceled a series of engagements to be by Catherine's side, showcasing his commitment to prioritizing family over official duties. He has been sighted driving to the London clinic to visit Catherine, and then returning home to Windsor to be with their children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis. Kensington Palace has officially confirmed the temporary cancellation of most of Prince William's engagements, underscoring his focus on providing support for Catherine and her children during this challenging period. Taking charge of home and family responsibilities amplifies the prince's dedication to normalizing life for their three children while Catherine undergoes recovery. This intimate act of cooking and baking for his wife adds a personal touch to the support Prince William is providing, emphasizing the genuine connection between the Prince and Princess of Wales. Their history includes Prince William's attempts to woo Catherine during their university days with his cooking skills, such as preparing meals like spaghetti bolognese. In 2019, Catherine revealed that Prince William tried to win her over with his cooking skills while they were at the University of St Andrews in Scotland. In 2021, the royal children joined their mother, Catherine, in baking cakes for a Cardiff Street party, marking the late Queen's Platinum Jubilee. Adorable pictures posted online showed Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis making treats in their kitchen, breaking away from traditional royal norms and presenting a relatable and heartwarming family moment.